Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this red and green cut crease, so if you want to see how, then please keep on watching. I started off my base with the Morphe foundation and a ColourPop brush, and I'm just buffing that into my skin. And now I'm going in with the Beauty Bay EYN palette with the darkest shade, and now I'm just going to mark out where I want to start my cut crease. I always start with the darkest shade first, and then I work from dark to light. Now I'm going in with the shade Paradise from the ColourPop Fade into Hue palette, and I'm just layering that over the black. And then I'm also taking this other red shade from the Beauty Bay palette, and I'm layering it over that red shade to build it up. Now I'm going in with the shade Bold Type from the ColourPop palette again, and I'm starting to build up that green shade on the outer corner. Here I am going in with more green, just trying to build up that green shade on the outer corner, and then I'm also going in with a little bit more black to build that up. I'm also going in with the P. Louise Re-White base. This is my favorite base to cut the crease with. Now I'm going in with that black shade again, and I'm going from the outer corner to the inner corner, and I'm trying to start to build up that gradient. Now I'm going in with my first shimmer shade, and this is Pinwheel from the Violet Voss Flamingo palette, and I'm just layering that over the matte shades that I already had down. I then went in with these Sample Beauty pigments, Sean Maloney and Tinsel, and I just stuck that right over the P. Louise base. I also added a little bit of the ABH glitter adhesive just so it would stick even more because these pigments are so foiled, and I wanted to make sure that they don't flake off. After applying my lashes, I went in with the Laura Mercier bronzer, and I just started to bronze up my face a little bit. I'm also applying this ColourPop blush to add some warmth back into my face, and I love applying it to my nose too. And also going in with my Jaclyn Hill highlighter. I absolutely love this palette, but I think it might be discontinued, but I'm not entirely sure. And now I'm just going in with some ColourPop lipstick and my Morphe gloss. I love this gloss, it's amazing. And that is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want to see more videos, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!